Whoa, Black Betty. Yeah, Black Betty. Black Betty, go Black Betty. Black Betty had it by. Don't think gonna fly.
Oh wow. I'm gonna say it's right up there with it. Man, it's gonna be so hard to tell between the Pro Series. That's right there with that American bass and the Gale Force. I would probably say that it had the least tinny mids of all three of them, if that makes any sense. Like the others had a little bit of tin canning, if that makes any sense, to the mid-range part. This was perfect. It was, and I got my max volume out of that amplifier on this one. The others I did not. So it'll handle every bit of what that little thing's throwing at it. 100%, because the phone volume's up to 100% too. There you go. NVX.